Hi folks, welcome back again for another exciting video. So today we are going to do some messing up with my ZX. So as we all know, my ZX doesn't have a rear seat, and today we are going to fix a rear seat for that. So today I am taking it to my friend's garage. So this itself is a almost 250 kilometer trip. So today I will take you through this trip. Stay tuned guys. So we just crossed Valley and we are standing at the iconic place where the highway is between two mountains. This is the place where most of the bikers used to take some snaps. If you look at my cover photo of my YouTube channel, you can find a clear view of this place. Next, we need to find a place to stop for the breakfast. Let's see. So we are almost there, another 24 kilometers. Right for a kilometer and then for another 4 kilometers there will be rain and 5 minutes rain. So far we are having a very comfortable ride. Stay tuned guys. So finally we are back home after a long day. We have installed the rear seats for my ZX10R, and today myself and my brother traveled for almost 120 kilometers. My brother was the pillion and I was riding. So regarding the comfort, I would say it is not very comfortable, but better than my Ninja 300. The rear seat is somewhat forward lean, so there is no problem of the pillion rider falling backwards. But one disadvantage is ZX doesn't have a grab rail. So we have installed fresh footrests for the pillion rider. So that's how it is. Even for my height, if I sit in this pillion seat, I have to be on tiptoes if I try to keep my foot down. So while sitting in the pillion seat, only thing you can do is you can keep your hands on the fuel tank and rest yourselves. So that's it for today guys. See you all in another day in another exciting video.